As per the specialized examination of ZIO costs expected in 2024, the base cost of ZIO will be $0.691. The greatest cost level that the ZIO can reach is $0.169. In view of our ZIO coin cost expectation for 2025, the cost of ZIO organization is anticipated to rise and reach $0.198 toward the finish of 2025. ZIO cost expectation 2030. ZIO organization's cost for 2030, as per our conjecture, will be in a reach between $0.0756 to $0.0811, and the typical cost of ZIO ought to be around $0.45. Right now, ZIO's cost is exchanging around $0.7713, which is practically 2% up from the last week. Furthermore, in the beyond 24 hours, DGB has figured out how to acquire practically 3%. In the midst of the negative feeling, ZIO has been dropping starting from the start of 2024. In any case, the ZIO coin holds the possibility to go up and stir things up around town mark by 2025. Assuming you are searching for ZIO network cost expectation, our top-to-bottom investigation plans to address your inquiries like, what is ZIO coin? For what reason is ZIO dropping? Is ZIO coin a wise speculation? Before we start with point-by-point ZIO cost forecast, how about we plunge into the coin's outline? About ZIO organization. The XY Profit Organization, otherwise called ZIO Organization, is a gadget gathering and approving geospatial information or data that has topographical parts. Area signals are utilized related to the Web of Things and cell phones to accomplish this. Approving geospatial information is a significant piece of the convention. How about we check the ZIO cost forecast made sense of here exhaustively? The trustless cryptographic area network gives layered area check across gadget classes and conventions. Another cryptographic system called Evidence of Beginning and Bound Observer is joined with blockchain innovation and true area-based information assortment to shape ZIO organization. ZIO stands to make trustless, decentralized frameworks or area profits. ZIO digital currency permits engineers of the Shrewd Agreement and blockchain framework to interface with the actual world like a programming interface. The framework attempts to furnish careful subtleties with the assistance of a bunch of deliberations. This arrangement of reflections decreased the dangers of area mocking through a chain of zero information confirmations. What is ZIO coin? ZIO is the local cryptographic money of the ZIO organization. This organization is represented by its local virtual money. It is an Ethereum-based ERC20 token. ZIO Mint piece gives shared motivators in each phase of exact material assortment. It very well may be viewed as the need might have arisen to interact with this present reality to confirm XY facilitates. Clients need to hold adequate ZIO tokens to place a question in the organization. A part of the gas expense will be paid to all parts engaged with the assortment and offering legitimate responses. Geo-mining application permits clients to effortlessly mine ZIO digital money on cell phones. Every one of the utility cases are given by ZIO utility tokens. The symbolic deal was on 20 walk 2018 with 100,000 tokens. Concerning token dispersion, 40% was assigned for biological system development and promoting, 35% for designing and research and development, 15% for profit network stage use, 5% herd, and 5% for supporting Ethereum stage projects. ZIO's cost today is exchanging at $1, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $373,617. The all-out market cap is $52,156,880, with a flowing inventory of 12,844,821,266 ZIO. The authentic information highlight an unequaled high at $2.23 on 6 November 2021. An everything time low is noted at $9,607, which was on 13 walk 2020. Subsequent to taking a gander at the significant help and opposition levels at the ongoing cost, quick obstruction is set at $0.77, and any ascent from this level can take ZIO cost to the obstruction level at $0.08. Bulls might look for an open door over this, and significant opposition is set above $0.11. Over this level, financial backers can imagine the ZIO coin as a drawn-out venture choice. The apprehension about monetary shakiness or macroeconomic danger didn't prevent the digital money market from coming to the front. Notwithstanding this new resource class high gamble and unpredictability, financial backers are wagering on coins as long as possible. The cost of ZIO is reliant upon the fundamental utility of the ZIO coin name framework, biological system, and market opinions. Taking a gander at the opposite side of bringing in cash and computerized resources, it is an extreme column to know the future bearing, so it is smarter to look for legitimate and wise speculation exhortation prior to going with monetary choices in crypto, which will assist with purchasing or sell ZIO. We should peruse more about the ZIO cost expectation for the eventual fate of ZIO crypto for the following 5 years. ZIO Coin Value Forecast 2024. According to specialized examination and ZIO conjecture, the cost of ZIO might reach $0.1195 in the principal quarter. According to the ZIO coin figure, the ZIO cost might cross a normal cost of $0.145 continuously end. The greatest value level could hit $0.169. The base value level of ZIO coin may be around $0.691 according to the ZIO cost expectation. ZIO Value Forecast 2025. ZIO Coin Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation have expected an opening at $0.152. ZIO cost might exchange towards $0.182 toward the finish of 2025. To summarize ZIO coin cost expectation for 2025, the base and most extreme costs will be around $0.166 and $0.198 individually. ZIO will be a wise speculation choice for the long haul according to ZIO Value Forecast 2026. As indicated by the ZIO gauge, the future cost of ZIO will be very appealing since the possibilities of the cost going up are higher than cost amendment in light of the ongoing cost patterns. The most extreme cost is anticipated to reach by 2026 is $2.79, while the base cost might reach $2.28. Consistently, the typical cost of ZIO is anticipated to be $0.535 according to our ZIO future cost forecast. ZIO Crypto Value Forecast 2027. The cost estimate all through the year 2027 is profoundly bullish, and the greatest cost anticipated is $0.346 and the base cost for the year is $0.298. In view of the ZIO cost expectation for 2027 and our examination, the typical cost is around $0.52. ZIO Organization Value Forecast 2028. In 2028, the value development of ZIO tokens may be slow contrasted with the earlier year, and the cost is supposed to exchange between the scope of $0.368 to $0.242 according to our ZIO crypto cost expectation for 2028. The typical cost will float around $0.394. ZIO Coin Value Expectation 2029. In light of our ZIO cost forecast, there is plausible that ZIO can get through the $0.35 obstruction and hold the market toward the finish of 2029. The least ZIO cost will be around $0.524, while the greatest value level may be at $0.581, and the most probable ZIO cost will be consistent at $0.5525. ZIO Value Forecast 2030. There is a high likelihood that ZIO Coin Cost Forecast 2030 will keep enormous increase in ZIO crypto cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $0.0811 level. ZIO is anticipated to reach $0.08 in 2030, and it very well may be the extended period of ZIO. Highlights of ZIO. ZIO can empower clients to send off into a convention of associated gadgets, which furnishes precise area data with the assistance of a chain of the cryptographic convention. Clients can